Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another stock video. Today we're talking about the Robinhood app. I'm going to show you how you can get some stocks for free. So Robinhood is a simple and popular stock investing app. They also have crypto. I don't recommend doing crypto on here. Check out some of my other videos, maybe get Coinbase or Cash App, Binance. Those are better for crypto in my opinion. Just because Robinhood still doesn't have like an official wallet, they kind of just own your coins and display a number here. Very centralized. But anyways, no BS. All you need to do to get a free stock or to get involved is sign up with the link down in the description. So invite a friend, get a free stock. So basically you're clicking my invite link, you're getting a free stock. I can earn up to $500 in free stocks per year using this. So as a YouTuber that can share this info, it's a pretty nice little bonus, but it's nothing crazy, you know. 100% chance to get a free stock. So basically you sign up, you're gonna get your free stock. And then if you sign other people up, they'll get a free stock as well. Pretty traditional rewards program. So these are some of the stocks that I've got for free lately. Agen, OPKO Health. Usually I just sell the stocks that they give me for free unless I really like that one. But when you get your free stock, you're gonna get like 3 little boxes you can click. You click on one, it's gonna open it up and give you your free stock. Usually you're gonna pull a stock that's like $5 or less, but you do have the chance to pull one that's like up to $500, I believe. So you could get lucky and get a $500 stock or something crazy like that. Once you get your stock, I believe you can sell it. Just tap on it and then tap trade down there on the bottom right. You'll have to wait like a week or so for it to like fully transfer into your account before you can sell it. So yeah, there's a quick overview how you can get some free stocks on the Robinhood app. Definitely check this out if you're new or looking to get into investing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out some of my other investing app tutorials and experiments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.